Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ava Kumari. Today we will discuss a problem from tracing of curve. Here first we have taken a question as draw a curve for y square equal to ax cube. So let us see how can we draw a curve for this given equation of curve. So first point is first we have to see the origin. So what are the origins? While substituting the value of y equals to 0, what we see here is x equals to 0. So both the equation passes through the origin. So first is the curve passes through the origin. Fine. Next we have to check is the symmetrical about the axis or not. So for the symmetricity, what we do is first we see the even power of both x and y. So here the y is of even power, since y is of even power. So while substituting minus y in place of y, we are again living with the same value. So here we see that the given curve is symmetrical about the x-axis. Okay. Third point. Since the curve does not cut the coordinate axis except at the origin, while it is seen from the given equation, here the only curve passes through the origin. That's why it is not passes through the any other point in the graph. Now, next point. The equation of the tangent to the origin is obtained by equating to 0 the lowest term of the equation. And here the lowest term is our y square. So while putting the value of y square equals to 0, we are living with the y equals to 0. So by putting y equals to 0 is the tangent to the origin. Therefore, is a cusp at the origin. Fine. Next. Next is this the curve have any asymptote? So here the curve has no asymptote. We have discussed earlier in the CC2. So I'm not going with this concept. Next, what we have to find what are the points where the curve cut the any other point or not, or is there any other part of the figure where the curve we can trace the curve. So to see this, let us see for the given equation we have y equals to root over plus minus ax cube. Okay, and then the root of form. So here the y is imaginary, and for the negative value of x, that is no part of the curve lies left of the y axis. क्योंकि ये इमेजनरी आता है इसलिए लेफ्ट जो है y एक्सिस के में हमें कोई भी पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा, तो हमारा जो कर्व है वो हमारा y एक्सिस के राइट हैंड साइड में ही स्टैंड करेगा. Third one, as x increases from 0 to infinity, the y also increases from 0 to infinity. That means if the x goes from 0 to infinity, then y also goes from 0. So we have the curve like this in the increasing order. So let us draw the graph of this given figure. Okay. So to draw the graph, let us first see the equation of the curve is so y square equal to ax cube. Fine. So here 0 is the origin and OX is our x-axis and OY is our y-axis. So let us take some point in the downward and also the left hand side. Since in the uh, previous pages we have seen that there is no part of the curve is in the left hand of the y-axis. That means here we cannot find the any of the portion of the curve, only we are getting the portion of the curve in the right hand side. So here the y square equal to ax cube. So what we see is that all the points passes through the origin. So here the origin and the no point cut any other point in the except at the origin. So our curve is like this. Okay, as x increases from 0 to infinity, then y also increases from 0 to infinity. So here, so this is our y-axis. So this is the figure of the curve, so which is the required